Hello, lovely folks of the internet. Welcome back. Don't run red lights. That first car was definitely okay. Those last two cars, especially that last Mercedes, no bueno. If you're turning left on the green arrow, I've made videos about this before. Always scan intersections, okay? This guy is jaywalking and you can fail your road test if you're not paying attention, okay? I know people who failed because they thought they had the right of way and, you know, someone impeded their right of way or whatever happened and they failed. This is not the best time and situation to be crossing the street, but jaywalking. Same thing here. Okay, this lady is jaywalking, but if you're going to be proceeding through the intersection, unfortunately, you still have to give them the right of way. And it sucks. It sucks when people do this, you know, and everyone jaywalks. I jaywalk too, but at least look both ways. Don't impede traffic if you're going to jaywalk. If you're going to be crossing the street at the wrong time, don't impede traffic. What is happening here? To be honest with you, I'm not sure what the rules are here. The law, if they're allowed to be on the road or on the sidewalk. To my knowledge, these individuals are supposed to be on the sidewalk. This is not a street legal vehicle, to my knowledge. I'm turning right at the stop sign, so I'm just going to stop here and wait and try to read the situation. I don't know if that was apologies or, hey, what the fuck are you doing? And now if you see we have a pedestrian to the right-hand side, which means I have to give them the right-of-way. And that's how it works. Don't swerve into oncoming traffic, you idiot. Stop. Okay? What are you doing, neighbor? Look both ways before you go. Look before. It's very simple, folks. Look before you go. Look before you move. Look both ways. And these things are very, very avoidable. Okay, most accidents are avoidable. If you're backing into the road, increase your angle. Okay, don't just cross the yellow line into the other side of the road. Look at this guy swerving all over the road. I don't know if he was drunk or distracted or if he was just a light loaded. And, you know, sometimes on windy days, these things can shuffle a little bit, but I'm pretty sure that's not the case here. So, you know, I'm staying back and I'm looking for the opportunity to pass this guy because I want him behind me. Especially driving like that, I do not want this thing in front of me at all. This is why you need to shoulder check before turning right at a red light or at a green light, especially if there is a bike lane on your right-hand side. Look at that. So, and it's sometimes really hard to show these examples because, you know, they're rare in certain intersections and in certain cities because not all intersections are designed in such way, but there you go. Shoulder check before you turn right. Couple of U-turns. Illegal in all control intersections. Double U-turn. Yeah, you're gonna get honked at. You're being an idiot. Okay, it's stupid, it's dangerous, it's unsafe. Couple of lane change examples. And that white truck technically should have let that big truck in. He's bigger than you. And he had a signal on for a while, so you just have to anticipate these things, okay? Tesla drivers. Ooh, what are you doing? Just poor choices. And those cars have so many safety features and you can't even drive that car well. It's just sad. Alberta, what are we doing? That's kind of a dick move. Lane change in the intersection from the other side into the gas station. Not a good stop sign. Or not a good stop, I should say. The stop sign is great. The same goes for my student there. That was a bit of a rolling stop. And folks, student drivers come in all shapes and sizes. And this giant truck up here is a student driver. He's also driving a manual transmission and he's trying to get the car into gear, probably first gear, and get out of the intersection. So kind of slipped up there, but decent recovery. At least wasn't really impeding the intersection or the traffic in our direction. And look at that truck there. Ooh, yeah, that was a close call right there. So anyways, that's it. That's all. Stay safe. See you out there.